guess where we're going? I've now boarded our flight to Dalaman from Istanbul. Inshallah, it should take about an hour or so, and we should land at about 8 a.m. in the morning.
Ulaşmamıştır. Lütfen kemer ikaz ışıkları sönünceye kadar yerinizde kalınız. Kemerinizi bağlı bulundurunuz ve başüstü dolaplarını açmayın.
We have landed Dalaman Airport. Alhamdulillah, now we're waiting for our baggage to arrive. I like this airport because it's really quiet. It's one flight every few hours. Our transfer, our VIP transfer vehicle. Lovely weather. Look at that gorgeous sky. Wow, mashallah. The mountains in the background. Lovely van too. How nice. We have some stars. Star lighting. This is so cool. Love the blue lighting. That's the hotel there. It's actually very big.
I don't remember which room.
This is such a big hotel. Our room 3140. So we're in our room now. We've checked in early to our room. That was very nice of them because normal check-in time is after 2. It's really nice. It smells lovely. We have a double bed. Well, it's not double. I would say this is a king size bed, and we have a single bed as well. Amira's on that bed. She was so excited to come into the room. We've got the TV, and then there's our luggage. This like this I stuffed like to the max, and it's so heavy. I think the wheels are damaged because of it. This is the one we got from Istanbul. We might have to end up going home with another luggage or two. Let's see. And then what I love, what is the best part, is the view. So this is our balcony and the view from it. How stunning is that? Mashallah. Every time I think of Marmaris, I think of the mountains and the sea. So gorgeous, mashallah. Wow. Little sofa that Amira was sitting on, and she told me to record for you guys. And I like the headboard. It's a nice headboard. It's like an antique gold shade. It's just showing up as silver on the camera, but even that silver looks gorgeous. But it's actually an antique gold. It's a light antique gold. It's really nice. Wow, look at the detailing on that.
Mom, do you have a mini?
And then we have this painting here. Amira's asking if we have a minibar. I believe we do. We do have a minibar. It's here. And the drinks in there are included, and they top you up every day. Got our Asda bag. I don't know why we got Asda bag, but we had to carry our what is it, the neck pillow for Amira, and I didn't want to hold it, so I just got this bag, and then we ended up stuffing other things in there, but yeah, it came handy. Yeah, so gonna change the channel and see what cartoons there are for Amira so she can watch something, and while we freshen up, and then go out and explore, check this place out, check out the hotel, and then pop out down the road and then have a nice walk down the beach and the marina. We also have a tea and coffee making area. Let's check out the bathroom.
Let's go.
Wow.
Let's eat with my son, George.
We have a sink, we have 2 tumblers. Is that it for toiletries? I'm surprised.
No.
Cotton pads, shower cap, and what is that, a sewing kit or cotton buds maybe? Where are the real stuff? Like, where are the so they have a shower gel and shampoo, I guess, here. Is that it? Oh, I'm actually upset now. My cat's always really happy with the toiletries I got from Istanbul, you know, green Golden Royal Hotel. She really liked them. We have a safe. I don't really tend to use hotel safes, but we do have one. A laundry bag, the price list. We've managed to locate a channel, a TRT Çocuk channel. So this is a kids cartoon channel. Amira's happy, although she doesn't understand what they're saying, but we'll pick it up soon, inshallah. This is what Amira will be wearing for day 1. Gonna get her changed shortly. It's very warm here. It's about 24, 25 degrees. So this is a really nice, comfortable, thin cotton dress. This one's from Matalan. I really like Matalan clothing for kids. Really good quality as well. And you get some really nice collections sometimes. And you've got a little straw bag, a pair of sandals. These are from Matalan as well. A hat. I think this one was from Primark. This bag is from Shein. And then a pair of white leggings. So outside of the hotel we have Migros and we have McDonald's, which is so convenient. So here we have a Migros and it's huge, and there's McDonald's, and then our hotel is just right here, just on the main road, and it's absolutely huge. We've just come outside for a walk and it is so hot. Seriously, it's so hot. It's really sunny. But it is beautiful, you know. So beautiful outside, even though it's so hot. We're all walking towards Migros. I love Migros. Checking out what they have, and might pick up some food as well, some snacks. And then we might pop into McDonald's and grab some nuggets or a burger. It's all halal. Also in search of some kitties, you know. I haven't seen a kitty since we've come today. It's probably because it's too hot, they're just hiding away under some shade. probably see them come out in the evening. I got them some food from London, got them packets, so I'll get them with me when we come out for an evening walk. It's almost dinner time, almost 7, so we've just come out to record a little bit of the hotel grounds. Gonna take some photos on there tomorrow, or maybe after dinner. Look at the mountains in the background. This is the view from our balcony in the evening. So lovely. There'll be entertainment happening on that stage, so we don't even need to go down. We can just sit here and watch.